Scene 1. Trust-based relationship selling.
Good day, shopper. This is D&J Corporation. Elisa speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, hello. I am new customer for your product. I just want to inquire about the ordering plans of fruit and marmalada. And because I am planning to order from my retail store.
I understand your inquiry, ma'am. We are open from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. for you to purchase the product in our area. We do not open on weekends, but you can place your order on our website during weekends and the delivery will be on Monday morning.
Okay, great. How about the payment process?
You can pay the 50% down payment through credit card, PayPal, and GCash. Visit our website for more details.
Oh, I see. Is there any other alternative payment option? Because I don't have any GCash account.
Yes, ma'am. If you want, I recommend you to pay the full payment through cash on delivery, including the charging fee.
Yes, that's a great option. Thank you. And one more thing. What are the varieties of fruta marmalada that you have?
As of now, Fruta Marmalada comes with the flavors of cocoa jam, piña jam, and mango jam.
Okay, good. Thank you for helping me.
No problem, ma'am. Feel free to call us anytime if you have any questions. Have a great day.
Good day, shopper. This is D&J Corporation. How may I help you?
Hi, I already ordered 5 boxes of fruta marmalada last Friday. It has been 3 days and I haven't received the order yet. My customers are already waiting for it to arrive this week.
Okay, ma'am, I got your concern. I apologize for any delay. May I have your name and the order number so I can check our system?
I'm Hannah. My order number is 13061307.
Okay, please wait for a minute. The product you ordered was shipped from the warehouse last Saturday morning. Such products takes 3 to 4 to be delivered. But don't worry, ma'am, you are supposed to claim your orders this afternoon.
Oh, really? Thank you for informing me. My customers really can't wait to avail your products.
No problem, ma'am. Do you have any questions?
Anyway, I'm having a trouble with one of my customers. She is interested with fruta marmalada, but she is unsure about the taste quality of her product because her kids might not like the natural flavors of the jam. What should I do to her? I really don't know what to do.
The best option that you can do is to let her see the positive reviews of our product from our previous customers on our website and other social media accounts so that she can decide the best flavor that she must try.
Oh, that's a good idea. Anyway, is there any new flavor of fruta marmalada coming up to the market? I just want to make a reservation for the pre-order.
D&J Corporation are now conducting survey for the new flavors of our product. I assure you that the company will let you know about the updates regarding our new release product.
Okay, great. Thank you for your service.
My apologies once more for any inconvenience and thank you for shopping with us. Have a good day.
Scene 2. Transaction-focused traditional selling.
Good day, shopper. This is D&J Corporation. Jandal speaking. How may I help you?
Hello? I want to order 7 bottles Fruta Melda in assorted flavors. Where can I place my order?
You can visit frutamermelada.com.ph to fill out the order form and for more details.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, hello. Welcome to D&J Corporation. How can I help you today?
What flavors of Fruta Mermelada do you have?
We have cocoa jam, piña jam, and mango jam that comes in the same sizes, which is 220 ml per bottle.
What is the best flavor that you can recommend? I just want to try since it's my first time to avail your product.
All flavors of Fruta Mermelada are the best. Why don't you try to avail 3 bottles of it with each flavors, so you would know what's the best for your taste.
What if I don't like the taste of it?
You will like it, ma'am. I'm sure about that. Kindly place your order before it gets out of stock.
Sure. I will order 3 different flavors of the jam. Thank you.
Yes, I managed to convince her to buy 3 bottles instead of 1.
Yes, hello, sir. This is D&J Corporation. How may I help you?
Hi, I saw your promotion about Fruta Mermelada and I'm really convinced with the positive reviews.
Well, it seems like our product has a good impression to you, sir.
Yes, I'm interested to buy one.
Great. But it would be better if you ordered 3 bottles of Fruta Mermelada with each flavors so you can try it all. What do you think, sir?
Okay.
Okay, so if you don't have any question, you can now send your order through our website. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day. Yes, I managed to sell 3 bottles today. Oh, that was so tiring. Good job to me.
The end.